Then I'm Vedanand Singh and you are most welcome on my YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to discuss the question answer of the unit Environmental Science. The name of the chapter is Fuel. So what will do the only the question answer? This video is made on special demand of a student. So please look at the video and if you find anything useful then you can write in your copy. See, for the first number question is darken the correct option in the OMR sheet. Means you have to fill up the circle in the OMR sheet. There is the MCQ type question is there. In the first is vehicles transport peoples and cargo. In the first option it would be the vehicles. There are fourth options are there. Among them this vehicles is the correct option. Now the second is dash provides energy on burning. The energy is a correct, sorry, fuel is a correct answer for that one. Now the dash is extracted and refined in refineries. The correct answer is petroleum is generally refined in refineries, and the fossil fuels can cause the pollution on burning, being burned it. That is the correct answer is for pollution would be here. Now the next is fifth number is solar energy is a non-polluting source of energy. Okay, now the solar energy would be the correct option among these given option. See, B number question it is fill in the blanks with the help of the given clue. Here clue are given here. LPG is here, millions is here, refineries and biogas and WAG. These are the clues option and we have to fill up the fill in the blanks with the help of this clue. The first is petroleum is refined in dash, means it is refined in refineries. That's dash is to the place that are closed by and avoid using vehicles, means we should go via walking if it is a place nearby to us. So that with the walking would be the correct answer in this second number option. Now the third is fossil fuels takes millions of years to be formed, means fossil fuel generally it takes a 200 to 250 years to form, million years to form it. So million it would be the correct answer. The next is dash is used as a fuel for cooking, means it is the, among the option LPG is a correct option. Now the next fifth number is biogas is a renewable source of energy, means biogas would be the correct answer. Renewable source means for those source of energy which can be used again and again, means we can renewable means we can use it again and again. Renewable we can use with different terms. Now the next is C number question it is write T for true and F for false. See, the first is kerosene is used as fuel in cooking. Yes, this is a correct answer. So T true is a correct option. This is correct. Correct answer would be true. Solar cooker does not save fuel. This is wrong. Solar cooker it saves the fuel. So this is a false is here. The next is 3 number in Delhi petrol is used in vehicles. No, in Delhi generally CNG is used, so it would be the false. The next is diesel is not an eco-friendly fuel. Yes, diesel is not an eco-friendly fuel. Generally CNG compressed natural gas is a eco-friendly fuels. The fifth number is synthetic fuels are very cheapest to manufacture. No, it is very costly. So F would be the correct answer. Generally it is a false. So in the D number, that is the matching questions are there. I have done the correct matching along. I have written the question and along the correct answer I have written here. So see LPG it would be in D. Generally cooking would be here. Renewable source of energy solar energy, this is the correct option. I have made it. Now the synthetic fuels coal, biomass and cells, it is correct answer. Diesel heavy vehicles, means with the help of diesel heavy vehicles runs on the diesel. Now then petrol light vehicles, means those are vehicles light vehicles only, it can be used by the petrol. Now the next come to the question answer. I have tried to write in short, but if you wish you can write 2 or 3 points. Generally I have written 4 points among all the questions. I have tried to write in the short in point wise. So the first question is what do you mean by fossil fuels, means what is fossil fuel and what these are the source of energy, means fossil fuels is the source of energy and it is also known as the non-renewable source of energy. Non-renewables means we cannot use it again and again. If you will use once, it exhausted. Now the next is fossil fuels like coal and petroleum are formed from the remains of plants and animals. Generally, petroleum is formed from the plants and animal when it goes inside the soil for a long time. decade of years, then it forms the fossil fuels. And the example of the fossil fuels are coal, petroleum, and natural gases. Now the question number second is, how much time fossil fuels take to be formed? Means asking the question, understand the question very well. Means time asking here means how much time is taking to form a fossil fuels. See, it takes millions of years to form. Means it does not take short time. It takes millions of years. But the next is the approximate time period for the formation is about 250 to 200 million years. See, for a very long time it takes 200, 150 to 200 million years. Now the question number fourth is, why should we use renewable source of energy? Generally question is, why do we should use renewable source of energy? Means the energy which can use again and again. The correct answer is, renewable source of energy would always remain available and emit no harmful gases. Means it does not produce any harmful gases. If you use the solar energy, this is a source of renewable energy, or wind energy, water energy. With the help of hydropower we use the energy that generate energy, that it does not produce any extra gases or anything else. The second number is, they do not get depleted after uses. Means it cannot be exhausted after the uses. Means you can use again and again, and it can be used again and again. I've already told you. Now the next is example is solar energy, wind energy, and water energy. These are the correct answer for the question. Now the question number 4, why CNG being encouraged to be used as a fuel in vehicles nowadays? Means why we should use the CNG? So the CNG stand for compressed natural gas. The correct answer for the question is that it is less polluting. Means it does not create a lot of pollution. Second is, it does not produce any poisonous gases. It does not produce any poisonous gases like monoxide, like this one. Now the third is, it cannot be used directly for, sorry, it can be used directly for the burning in homes. Means we can use directly at home through the pipe. Generally we get it with the pipe connection, so there is no need to any carrying cost or anything extra. Now the question number fifth is, write some step to be taken to save fuels. Means you have to write some steps so that how can we save the fuels. The first is, cover short distance on foot. Means we can, if there is distance is short, we can go by foot. Now the second is, use bicycle for short distance. If you are going to the long short distance, we should use bicycle. And the third is, put off the car engine at red light at traffic signals. Generally if there is traffic signals in red light, then you should turn off the car or burning vehicles, whatever you are using. Now the next fourth is, use public transport like metros and buses. We should use the public transport like metros and buses instead of personal vehicles. Now fifth number is, use CNG and eco-friendly fuels. We should use CNG because it is eco-friendly, so we should use this. With this in, if you have any queries, or if you want to ask anything else, your comment option is open here, so you can write in the comment box. I'll try to give the response as soon as possible. Even along with this, if you have any confusion in any topic, you can write in comment box. I will make a special video for you, and will upload here on the same channel. With this in, you may be in touch with me on social media platform like X and Instagram and so many social media sites. With this in, Jai Hind, Vande Matram.